Hello guys, welcome to the channel. This is another part of my private collection. So here we're gonna see some Playboy, some Elvis, and some more collectible of the year lighters that I have. So let's start. So this is one of 4,000 made. So this is number 2930. So this is a very old lighter. I got this one in 2004. So we can see on the side 2930. $4,000 pieces. And this is the box that comes with it. So next, let's see Pink Cadillac. These are 7,500 made. This is number 3720. And this was a trademark between GM and Elvis family. So there's nothing special around for the lighter. This is a 2009. So again, comes with a very nice box, a little bit more detail on the back. Elvis 50-year anniversary. Another limited edition one. This is one out of 10,000. More description in the back again. This is another 2008. Serial numbers on the side. These are all brand new. I never used my lighters. So this one came with this box. Then let's move on. Collector edition, number series, Zippo Canada. Yeah, Niagara Falls. This is a 2002. Silver plated. They made 25,000 of it. You can't really see, but this is one of the higher numbers. 24,252 out of 25,000. Was lucky enough to get one of those as well. Collector's edition, number series. Then I have a Playboy one. So this is not really a very limited edition one. Comes with a keychain and everything. I'm not gonna take it out because it takes time to put it back together. This is not with serial number or anything. I'm gonna take the lighter out, but not the keychain. This is from 2008. I liked it because it was a nice set. As I said, this one, it's not really a limited edition one. 2018 collectible of the year, golden scroll. Genuine Zippo. Gold plated. 12,000 made. Armor case. It's a very thick one. 2008 in the bottom. It's engraved all around. Gonna need to clean it after. This is 5,788. It comes with a mirror so you can show the sides of the letter. Gonna clean it later. This one, the Windy Girl. That's another limited edition, only 35,000 made. This one is a 1935 replica. This is number 21-200. Pretty nice lighter. They have the hinge over here. A little bit more info in the back. These are the Z Luxury. You've seen it in the previous videos. This is the Dragon gold plated. These are not serial numbered, but I like them and they're very nice lighters. And this is another Z Luxury. The steampunk. So thank you for watching. I'm gonna be uploading even more videos with my personal collection. I can't fit everything in one video, otherwise it's gonna be like an hour long. If you like the video, please like, comment and subscribe, and gonna put some links in the description so you can buy a few of these in Amazon. Not all of them, but a few of them. Thank you for watching.